Assalamu alaikum playgroup class. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is recognition, my family. So playgroup class, in this lecture we will recognize the different family members. Family includes mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather. Okay students, let's recognize the family members. The first picture is mother. The next picture is father. The third picture is son. The next one is daughter. The next picture is grandfather. The next one is grandmother. The next picture is child. And the last picture is teacher. Playgroup class, read with me. Mother, father, son, daughter, grandfather, grandmother, child and teacher.